if you do it, I'm sorry. Because when me lie down at night time, I know me, I don't know I got hell and me one. When God said judgment, none of stand up side of me.
I prefer to be with somebody that is financially stable. I don't believe in the certain things. That is me. You can't kill me for that. I say, you want to say, girl, they might crap me up.
I get that. Me get that. And at the end of the day, you live which part you live, are you comfortable? And sorry, you and Nitro break up, so clearly you're not in a one relationship yet where you find a person there yet, right? Me and Jelani I come from nothing. And I could have left Jelani I go fuck rich man and them look someday. I did not. I stayed with Jelani from nothing. And look now, we have our own house.
Exactly.
Jelani have him car, me have my car, but remember we are two people where I come from nothing.
Exactly. Everybody relationship and situation is different.
So,
Jesus. I don't know what you said to the master. We don't want everybody. Guys, you know you're so God make everybody their own image.
yes, and me I come from, you need to stop judge. Or the two judgy. And you know in a court.
Man, Jelani and Dia come from very, very far. Very, very far.
Alright, that person I said, let me tell you something, she name? Sharika. Let me tell you something, babes. Let me tell you something I want to know. Because you see, because me not really post Jelani sometime, this is why y'all don't know a lot about Jelani. When you see me I drive up and down the other day, when you see me put up on my status, see me I drive up and down, go different parishes and sell my products. Jelani the right beside of me. 3 more rows. Jelani the right beside of me. And Jelani do the driving sometime. You don't know that. You know when me I sell my products them, Jelani I sell with me. If somebody call me right now and say they want something for buy a man, they be like, Jelani go deliver it to them.
I can testify to that. He's always there with her.
Jelani no left my side, none at all.
And if you in the car with her, in a theme vehicle behind her. That's
every single time. Jelani no left me, none at all.
That's another.
So, every time when you see me, I try everything want to see me do. When me I make my cream them, and my husband mix my cream them for me at night time also. And my husband mix them. My husband help me logo them and package them. Everything.
Film every single thing put on the media, and then when you do that now,
and that they want me to put out everything so them can like Jelani. But Jelani doesn't care about being liked. So that you don't understand. When I realize say man no post on him page, all him post when him a cook little food.
That's true.
And he not even pretty it up. He just video and just fling it up blank. He doesn't even give a fuck. And that you never understand.
Man, guys, I was so close. Guys, we don't go.
Come on, guys, double. And that you not get. He's that person. He not care about the likes. He not care about the love.
These people are very too more too. Because if you were to post everything on the media, then I still find something bad to say.
Exactly.
They would still find something bad to say. And of course,
that's funny. So why you not give him no pum pum? It's a prank, idiot. You wanted that idiot to get catch. A prank. Miss, thank you. Guys, it was a prank. I'm telling you what we see why we did do it. And what the hell we did see again?
Let's try to rank up.
This is what we did see.
We're trying to rank up, guys. Can we please get that money gone? When me I see sitting with them, me I laugh. Me sit down and laugh, and me I read the comments, and me I say, yo, people are messed up.
You know, say somebody on social media video me did a watch, and I say, oh God, Jelani, look how them a drag that person here. And I say, Jelani, can we do one prank and still go on? But me don't remember who me that watch. I don't remember who, me not tell no lie. Every single body was send a gift. Thank you guys. Big up on yourself. When I keep tapping, guys, when you come man, send some gift. A long time me on the day I chat. Right, thank you, Kenny. Everybody we are tap. Big up on yourself.
Guys, can you give more money on please?
I don't remember who me that watch Blue. I say, Jelani, can we just drop a prank, no?
From say that I didn't know say a prank. I don't know all them feeling know say that a prank. Everybody.
Right, I think I you in a girl. No. I know you. Me I tell you I want no able boss me that watch. And able boss say, look how when Maya and TJ used to keep them relationship private, or them could have get enough gift. Me don't know if you see that screen record in there. You see it?
No, if I forget no gold, me don't want the gold there.
You did see it?
No, I never see it.
Yeah, he must say when they did private and nobody ever know say they in there. They used to get enough gift, but then team are build up back differently now. I said, Jelani, you know, see a true door. When a relationship private on social media, people will more for support you sometimes because they want you. They want to look you.
I think it was the curiosity. They used to wonder like, my have man.
Yes, girl, yes. So I said, Jelani, come here, go on like we left now. Murder. And that we get with too enough.
That they don't last, because Jelani tell us so that no, that wouldn't last.
So that's why Jelani cuss me now say he want a new woman. And I say me want a new man. And we just start cuss about pum pum. We are cuss about every god thing. And then you know so Jelani come on live shortly after. So I don't know why they didn't show that part, but that's just how people stay.
Okay, Master.
Thank you, sweetie.
And that tells you put me YouTube and screen recording them. Put me YouTube and screen recording them.
Nah, deep man.
We can't promote your YouTube channel. I can't fight out people, so. Terrible, you know, awful. Guys, I'm begging one goal, man. They only love negativity.
When I go and good panitaska with the 73.3k likes. Thank you guys so much.
You guys love the negativity and then go on like don't love it. Love the negativity.
Me choose a good partner. Me not switching for nobody. Me choose a great partner. Me appreciate everything what Jelani do for me. Me choose a great partner. Me and Jelani go through a lot, and me choose a great partner. He might not be a good partner for Uno, and that's fine, because he's not your man, he's mine. Well, that's cool.
Is and them married to you.
Exactly.
So them not have to worry about that. Them not have to worry about it.
He chose me and I chose him. And I'm going to stick beside him, okay? So if y'all don't like him, that's cool. I like him. In fact, I love him, okay?
Good man, Savannah. Jesus Christ, we take 2 hours for responding.
The man that even love social media. Oh God. When Jelani come on live, all 30 minutes and him gone. Him not love social media. And me ever force him.
No.
Chan was star. More me just why?
All that meter is not good. So brother, I can go find one man and go treat you. Yeah, one to me. Woman them should not talk about this. That about it so hard. Where with you?
But it breaking hard.
Most. Don't want to be friend go find one nice man, sir.
He's not. You have some woman there with someone and the woman or the bigger person is the bigger person in social media. And the minute that man gets a hype, he go on like him bigger than she. Every blood clot minute in the pan live I do the most. Remember me telling you that? Jelani never yet try for outshine me on social media yet. Never.
Listen, it doesn't have nothing to do with the person being rich, poor, or in between. If a person has an awful character, it has nothing to do with whether they have money or they don't have money. So no, not talk about it for educating yourself. You understand? It don't have nothing to do with that. It's just that everybody have their own preference. 7 brother, 7 different man. Kino, thank you, sweetie. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of us have enough with the man we have it and them a shit. Enough with the man we don't have it and them a shit. It don't have nothing to do with that.
My man them have it terrible.
It don't have nothing to do with that. Yeah, man we have money and them a shit house. Yeah, man we don't have money and you really fear one the brother. You don't have money and a behave so.
Thank you, Miss Matty. Girl, I get chocolate till my week sometimes. Some of them I get not even know Charlie's chocolate. If one of them buy for themselves, I'm sorry for them. When my husband got and I come in, every minute my husband buy chocolate. Sometimes pick out one nice. No, I think you have my number that time, yeah. One of them Valentine's Day, you blue. My husband that wait for my little money and he never get it in time. You know what man do? The man go to supermarket and buy every single snack where he knows them love in a one box. And the sweetest blood clot Valentine's to me. When I don't cock up my foot and name my snack them. What you say?
I love that.
And enough girl get big gift and then next Valentine's they sing on a blood clot to no apart for me, you know?
No, this not alone. None of them get big gift and none of them alone get a gift.
Exactly. They get copy and paste. Yeah, they get copy and paste.
I know you alone get it, babe. Samantha get it too.
And not even the man pick out the gift, go no.
Okay,
he can pick something what she like and he just copy it and paste it, go no.
Thank you very much. Twitch boss. Guys, we can't make a win. Kino, Twitch boss, thank you guys so much. No man, guys, we can't win.